Ngayong episode na ito ay mag-unbox tayo at magse-set up ng Epson L121 printer Eco Tank. Ayan siya mga guys, bagong bago yan, di pa natin unbox yan. So ano pang gagawin natin? Let's dive into it! Okay guys, so bago natin gamitin ito ay may mga kailangan muna tayong gawin, ano? So we have to set this one up first before it is ready to use. So let's unbox it. And let's okay, so here this side here with the power cord. We also have the paper tray post. On this side there's the initial bottle, you can see. So we have black and yellow and the other one. We also have magenta and this one is cyan. Here. Okay, so we have the 4 initial bottles to set. Now let's take off the other things. So we also have the printer paper tray, and we also have the driver CD. Okay. And the cord. Alright, so here is the printer, the new Epson L121. Okay, so let's remove the styrofoam holding it in place. Of course, it's covered with plastic, so now before you do anything else, if you see blue tapes like this, you should remove them. Let's remove this one. There you go. We have another one here holding the print head, I guess. There you go. Okay, so let's assemble the thing. The very first thing that we should assemble is this paper tray. Let's remove that. It's very easy to assemble. All you have to do is to put this one here like this. There you go. And then pull this one up, turn it around, and then put it in place like this. There you go. Paper tray is in. Now the next thing to do is to install the cords. So at the back here you see the port of the power here. On this side you see the port of the USB. So, by the way, this is 220 volts, this version. If you are buying this one locally from your own country, chances are the power ratings or the power input has already been pre-formatted for your country. Okay, so it's very important for you to buy this printer locally. Okay, I'm gonna put now the cord to the power port. There you go. Then put the USB cord here. There you go. Before we turn the printer on, let us first put ink here on the ink tanks. It's very important, don't forget it. Be careful. Let's do it one by one. So let's start from black, to be followed by yellow, and then magenta, and then cyan. There's black. Alright, so this one is already okay. So let's put this one away. Let's start with black. Let's undo this thing. Let's remove the cup. Then we simply just pour the ink right over there, and then press the bottle like that. Each ink will be enough to fill the tank for the initial ink charge. There you go. So that's done. Let's go red. Next, let's go to yellow. Let's go red back. Alright, so okay, so we've successfully filled the ink tank. So as you can see, already filled up. It's on the full mark. The ink bottles that came with this printer are enough to fill the entire tank. Now let's do the ink charge. Put the bond paper on the tray like this. Now we're gonna plug the printer in to the wall socket. Okay, the printer is now plugged in. Let's press the power. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's wait for the blinking thing to stop. So the first time that you turn it on and it detects an ink inside the ink tank, it will automatically charge ink from the tank to the head, the print head. Now this time the indication there is the blinking power light, and at the same time the printer is making lots of sound. Alright, so we have here the light is now on, the orange light is now on. So what we're going to do now is to press this light for around 3 seconds until the printer starts to work. There you go. The printer is now charging ink from the tank to the print head. As you can see, it's very loud. It's doing something in the background. The front thing here, you can see that the print head is moving back and forth, and it's doing weird things right there. Let us just be patient and wait for it to finish. See, printer head is doing weird noises. Okay, we will know that the printer is done charging ink if the power light stops blinking and the printer stops doing weird noises. So it will take up around 20 minutes. So let us just be patient.
Thousands of tears later.
Finally, the printer is done charging ink to the print head. As you can see, the power light is now steady green. It means that it's already ready to print. But before that, let's check the nozzle pattern first. To do that, turn off the printer and then press the paper eject button, and then press the power, then release everything once the printer turns off. It will print something. There you go. Alright, so here's now the output. Here's now the output of our printer. As you can see, We have yellow, we have red, we have blue, and we have black. All of them are perfect. See? So we have successfully loaded the ink to the printer. Now the second thing to do is to install the printer to our laptop. Okay, so we're about to install the driver for our printer.